What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact and easiest way of manually sorting the WooCommerce products. For example, that if you want this cap, yeah, any product to be on the in the first that should be listed on the as the first product, or maybe on the second, maybe on the third, on the shop page, or maybe on the category page. You can do that manually and very easily. What you can do to achieve this, that the very first thing that I want you to do is hop back onto your website's dashboard, and over here you can just click on these products. If you are going to change, if you want to change the sorting for shop page, you're gonna click on products, and over here you can see that sorting. You can click on that, and once you have clicked on it, you can see that you will be able to drag the products around. Now you can over here, you can just drag them the way you want. For example, I want this basic plan to be the first product, and this belt to be the second product, and the cap to be the third product. I can just drag them around, and let's see if we have achieved that. So now you can see that the very first part is the basic plan, second one the belt, and third one is the cap, just like I did over here. And for example, if you want the same thing to be happen on the category page, let me just show you how you can do that. It's basically the same. You can just click on this category, and over here you have four categories on the website. Let me just click open the front end of the website, front end of the category detail page. For example, you can see the web belt on the front, and so on and so forth. You can just click on um, this this category. No, not this on this category. We can just, I guess, click on this count thing, and over here we're gonna drag and drop them. We're gonna click on this sorting. Now where we will be able to drag, for example, if I need sunglasses to be the front, to be the very first product, I can just do that. And once I do that, the sorting has been changed. So that was it. That was it for the today's video. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to it and stay tuned for the amazing content that I'm going to upload each and every day from today's from now onwards. And thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.